Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll go over adapter design pattern. So let's get started. So as the name suggests, adapter, it's pretty much like the adapter we use in real life, you know, for the phones. If you have a phone with USB-C and you have an old charger, so what do? You simply put an adapter in the middle, right? So this is pretty much the idea of the adapter design pattern in programming as well. So the app expects one format and you have an old system with another format, okay? So the adapter simply sits in the middle and it's going to translate between them. So pretty much like the adapter we have in real life. So let's go ahead and look at the code so it's going to make more sense. So here I have this short little program over here where your program wants JSON, but your data that you have is CSV. So the adapter here, it's basically a translator that's going to convert CSV to JSON. So let's look at it, how it works. So we basically have an interface over here of CSV data. So all our CSV file are going to implement the CSV data, right? So we have this, let's say this is the CSV file reader class we have, and it's basically implementing the CSV data. And we have this get CSV, which is simply like reading a CSV file, let's say, okay? So I have this simple string representing, let's say, this CSV data, okay? So it's just an example, you know, like, I just want to be clear here, this is not like a real CSV to JSON converter. In real projects, we use like proper CSV parser and JSON libraries. So I'm just like using this simplified conversion only to show you the adapter design pattern. Okay, so don't confuse yourself here. Okay, so here I have this JSON data interface. Okay, and here, so everything we want to convert to JSON, it's gonna implement this interface, right? So here is our adapter pattern. So here this adapter is doing what? It's basically converting CSV to JSON, right? So that's why, since we're converting it to JSON, so we need to implement JSON. Okay, so yeah, so that's why we are implementing this JSON interface over here. And here the CSV data, it's you need to have it as a field, so you can pass it into the constructor of it, you know, when you create the object of this adapter. So you can pass in the CSV data, and afterwards what's gonna happen, so to here in the get JSON, so it is basically going to convert it into JSON format. So first of all, it's gonna get the CSV data, you know, because we passed in as a field the CSV data. So now we can call the get CSV method that we had over here. So this get CSV method, it's gonna give us this string that we have, and afterwards we can go ahead and perform this conversion. And I don't think it's important for this video to know how this conversion is working, but that's how we're going to convert this CSV string into JSON. And finally we're simply going to return this string in the format of JSON. So in the main, what do? Is we basically create the CSV file object, and since it's the type of it's a CSV data, so that's why we put CSV data over here. And we're simply going to pass in here in the constructor of the CSV JSON adapter, right? Because we want to convert this CSV data into the JSON, right? So since we're converting CSV to JSON, we need to pass in CSV here, and this is gonna perform the conversion. So afterwards, what's gonna be our output is, first we're gonna print JSON output, and afterwards we're calling adapter.get JSON. So this get JSON is gonna call this method over here, which is simply getting the CSV data and converting into JSON format. So our string is gonna look like this. So originally we had this in the CSV format like this, but after the conversion, this is what's gonna happen. Okay, so I hope it makes sense that the adapter is basically like a conversion to convert when you have data in one format and you want to convert it to another format. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new today. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Bye.